Is it really possible for a Filipino freelancer to earn 6 digits per month? Tara, let's talk about this. Hey girls, this is Beyond the Desk by Genty. Well, yes, it's possible, but let's be honest. It's not magic and it doesn't happen overnight. There are freelancers right now in the Philippines earning 100,000 pesos to 300,000 pesos per month. But here's the truth. Most of them didn't start that way. So you might ask me, Genty, what do high-earning freelancers have in common? Based on my perception, I can enumerate 3 main things. Number 1, these freelancers who are earning 6 digits per month, they focus on high-income skills like copywriting, digital marketing, video editing, UX/UI designing, or even coding. Second, they charge in USD or any other strong currencies, not in Philippine pesos. Lastly, they treat freelancing like a real business and not just a side hustle. So if you are charging 200 pesos per hour and doing random jobs, it's gonna be hard for you to earn that 6-digit salary per month. But if you're someone who is very strategic in what they're doing, you can break that ceiling. So yes, a 6-digit salary per month in freelancing is very much possible. But it takes a lot of skills, strategy, consistency, and investing in yourself and the equipment that you are also using. The question here is, are you always ready to level up your skills? In freelancing, they always say, upskill now or get left behind. So yun lang for today's video. Follow for more content like this. Bye!